Hey everyone, my name is Lawrence Patank and I'm here with the Homework 3 review of Hw3 Code. Today I'm going to start off with Hw3 Code and the board.java file because I thought that data storage and manipulation was kind of a big part of this homework. Right off the bat I can see that they really didn't take advantage of the instance variables in the board class. There's only this one double int array grid here, which was doable in the project but doesn't really help keep any of the data that they need to keep together that define the board class. Some other information that I think they could have put up there is a heuristic, because at the moment they just have to compute the heuristic every single time they need to compare that to something else, perhaps in their search tree, that .java. And speaking of this heuristic, I think it's very hard to understand. And I think that because they have all these hard-coded values in here, I think that maybe if they put a board in this constants.java file, which they are also not utilizing very well because they only have 2 values in there, that maybe they could do something similar with this row index of that particular constant. Moving on to Hw3 Code, you can see in their board that they do in fact use a little more instance variables. However, I see here that they have a blank row and a blank column, which I thought they could have possibly just put in the create a new point object because it has both that those fields as well as the value field. I just think that make a little more sense that way. However, they do a good job of using constants, which means that if any of their constants change, they can just reuse this code, no problem.